Hello my friend, I hope that you are well. Let's see in this video how to use an advanced shadow option. Like this one I have created in this circle shape. So I'll do this. So let's create a circle or what you want, any other shape. So let's move this one here. Or I move it, no problem. Let's create a new one. Insert. Shape, any type of shape, what you want. I will use circle, take like this, and now I will change. I can let it, or I can change the color. I put it in the white. I remove the outline. No outline. What is the next step? Next step is to add the shadow. To add the shadow, I can tell you a lot of people what we use here. They go to in the shape format there is shape effect, and we choose often this option. Shadow, as you can see, there are a lot of what you want. Okay, here is take what you want, and you can use it. Yeah, you can use it, no problem. But it is not powerful. It is not advanced. You can make something better than this, than the predefined shadow in PowerPoint. So to do this, I will come back the previous one, now shadow, and here you have two choices to go to the shadow option. You can do it from the shape format as the previous one, format shape from here, and go to this panel effect, and here we have the shadow. Okay, or you can go to the shape format, shape effect, shadow, and go down until shadow option, and go directly to the shadow option. Okay, now here there is, I think, one important property that you will use often. It is blur. You will see, and also there is transparency, the size, and the angle. So let's play with this value. For example, for transparency, here I will add not 100, I will make, for example, 80%. Oops, 80%, yeah, like this. I let the distance for this moment 4 point. The next thing is the size. You can increase the size or decrease as you want. As you can see, it is not good like this, so I let it 100%. It is a medium, so I think it is the good one. Now for the blur. Look, when I increase, I don't know if you can see or no. Do you see or no? No, we don't see the difference. Look very well. There is no blur here. There is some effect in the border of the circle. Look here, look in the border of the circle or the outline, what you can get. You see, it's very amazing. So here you can use, for example, what I can choose here, maybe, yeah, 45, like this. And about the distance, you can decrease distance to point, and the angle you have the choice. You can let it as the previous one or use 90%. So here I always use the blur. It is the first powerful properties that I like for the shadow. Remember, for the also you have the transparency, etc., etc. So these three properties, transparency, size, and blur, are the most important, but the main is blur. So here is how to create your own shadow, not that with predefined. And of course, if you need to create another shape with like this one, just copy this shape. As you can see, I have my shadow. Look in the outline or in the border, you can see it. And here you can directly change the shape also, shape format, edit shape, change shape. I can, for example, use this one, and here is with the shadow, and also you can change it to, for example, a rectangle like this, or with a rounded rectangle like this, you see, like this, and use, for example, you have presentation, you put something like this, for example, like this, oops, like this, and this one won't need it, something like this, and like this, with the shadow. It is very customized. Here you can see it very well, I think, with the white background. You can see it is not from here. Here you can see your shadow very well. So if I remove my shadow, now you will see something with white. So simple. Here is it. Do you see? Here is it. Now here is the how to create your customized shadow in PowerPoint. It's very pretty. I recommend you do not use the predefined shadows that are here in shape effect. Use your own value to create your own shadow. See you next video, inshallah, to continue with another tips in PowerPoint 2019. Take care of us. Tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.